Home Depot is selling entire houses, not sheds, not playhouses, actual homes with bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchens, starting under $27,000, 8 kits. And almost nobody is talking about this. We are going to walk through all 8 today, from the most affordable to the most premium. I will give you the real specs, the real prices, and exactly what you get for your money. No fluff, no hype, just the information you need to figure out whether one of these could actually work for your situation. And I saved the most interesting one for the very end because it includes something that none of the other 7 offer. Let us start with the least expensive option on the list. House 1, Chill Out, $22,999. This is the Chill Out by Well Done, 1 kit homes, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, about 282 square feet. And the price tag is $22,999. Now, before you start mentally furnishing the place, here is what you need to know. This is a steel frame kit. That means you are getting the structural framing system for a home, not a finished house dropped on your property. You are getting the skeleton. The kit shows up on a flatbed truck in panelized sections, walls, roof trusses, all of it pre-punched with holes for utility connections. You will need 2 people to unload everything and should budget about 6 to 8 weeks for delivery after your order is confirmed. Well done. 1 gives you 2 installation paths. Option 1, they ship the frame kit, and their crew comes out to install the framing for you. Option 2, they ship the frame kit along with a permit set and blueprints customized for your specific location, and you handle the installation yourself. Either way, you are responsible for the concrete slab foundation, utility hookups, and every single finished material. But here is where it gets practical. Well Done. 1 will help you calculate the exact quantities for sheathing, windows, and doors. They suggest buying those materials directly from Home Depot, which keeps your costs transparent and puts you in full control of your selections. The dimensions come in at 27 feet long by about 16 feet wide, standing 11 feet tall. The cold-formed steel frame carries a 50-year warranty. It will not warp, rot, or attract termites. It is fire-resistant, non-combustible, and 100% recyclable. If you want maximum control over the build process and the lowest possible entry price, this is your starting line. But this next kit adds a 2nd bedroom for just a few $1,000s more. House 2, Rose Cottage, $26,499. The Rose Cottage, also from Well Done. 1 kit homes, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 444 square feet, $26,499. Same core concept as the Chill Out. Cold-formed steel frame kit, not a move-in ready home. But now you have 2 bedrooms and over 160 extra square feet, which completely changes the math if you are thinking guest house, Airbnb, vacation rental, in-law suite, or compact primary residence. The footprint measures about 31.5 feet wide by 15 feet long, standing just over 20 feet at its tallest point. Ships the same way. Panelized steel sections on a flatbed, no crane required. Same 2 installation options apply. Here is something important that applies to both the Chill Out and the Rose Cottage. Before you purchase either kit, contact your local building department. Confirm what is allowed on your specific property, including lot size requirements, building height restrictions, and setback distances from property lines. Well done. 1 can customize the design to meet your local building codes, or they will run a full feasibility study for you at additional cost. Skip this step, and you could end up with a kit sitting in your driveway that you are not legally allowed to build. The steel is American-made, 100% recyclable, and engineered for severe weather and seismic conditions. 50-year warranty on the frame. 3 standard floor plan designs with the option to customize the layout if your situation calls for it. A 2-bedroom steel frame kit under $27,000. If you are willing to manage the build and source your own finished materials, the Rose Cottage gives you a lot of structure for the money. It is a strong starting point for anyone serious about building income-generating property on a budget. Now, the next house on this list takes a completely different approach to what a tiny home can be. House 3, RestReal Capsule, $35,615. This is the RestReal Modern Prefab Capsule Home. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 133 square feet, $35,615. What makes this one fundamentally different from everything else on the list is simple. It requires zero assembly, none whatsoever. A crane picks it up off the delivery truck and places it wherever you point. Lakeside, mountainside, next to a park. Your entire setup process is roughly the length of a lunch break. The capsule is 19 feet long, 7 feet wide, and 8 feet tall. Inside, you get a full kitchen, a complete bathroom with hot and cold water, a shower, and a pre-installed air conditioning unit. All electrical and plumbing circuits come pre-wired and ready for connection. The walls use a multi-layer composite design with insulation rated for both summer heat and winter cold. Reinforced interlocking joints hold the structure together even in harsh weather environments. The floors are rated for heavy loads, and the window layout brings in natural light without turning your living space into a fishbowl. At 133 square feet, this is comfortably the smallest option on the entire list. And at 7 feet wide, you are not hosting dinner parties in here, but what you trade in square footage, you gain entirely in speed and simplicity. No construction timeline, no contractor headaches, no building permits required in most areas. You connect your utilities and you are living in it. The manufacturer backs it with a 10-year warranty and a 90-day return window. If getting into a livable, functional space as fast as humanly possible with the absolute least amount of friction is your top priority, and you can live compact, this capsule does exactly what it promises. Nothing more and nothing less. Now, the next one gives you more than twice the floor space and shows up with luxury finishes already installed. House 4, WINNDOORS Prefab Modular, $49,999. The WINNDOORS Prefab Modular Home, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 360 square feet, $49,999. This is a fully prefabricated modular unit with a clean white exterior that manages to look more like a high-end studio than a prefab box. The walls are 16 millimeters thick, built with metal carving board over a 75 millimeter flame-retardant core. In practical terms, that gives you Class A fire performance, solid thermal insulation, and genuine soundproofing. The windows use broken bridge aluminum alloy frames with insulated tempered glass in a 5+9+5 configuration for maximum thermal performance. Entry door is aluminum frame with hollow glass for added security. Inside, you will find mineral laminate flooring, carbon crystal decorative panels on the walls, and a rock slab shower area that looks and feels like it belongs in a boutique hotel. The purchase includes the complete house structure, a fully equipped kitchen with premium appliances, and the bathroom. Delivery is free. The manufacturer states no permits are required in most areas, and the unit is engineered to withstand both earthquakes and typhoons. Layout is 20 feet by 19 feet with 8-foot ceilings, giving you a roughly square 2-bedroom floor plan at 360 square feet. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty and a 90-day return window. That return policy is worth noting. Several other kits on this list are completely non-returnable once the order is confirmed. If you want 2 bedrooms, finished interiors with modern materials, and a setup process that does not involve managing subcontractors for months, this WINNDOORS unit sits in a strong middle position. It bridges the gap between bare frame kits and fully constructed homes without crossing the 6-figure threshold. But if bedrooms and total square footage matter to you more than anything else, the next option on this list is going to stop you cold. House 5, FrameUpNow Rucker Garage Home, $55,129. The FrameUpNow Rucker Garage Home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,941 square feet, $55,129. Yes, you heard that correctly. Nearly 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a great room, dining area, kitchen, a master suite with walk-in closet, and an attached garage, all for $55,000. Now, before you start picking out curtains, here is the catch, and it is a significant one. Like the Well Done One kits, this is a steel structure frame only. You are buying the skeleton of a full-size house. Exterior cladding, interior finishes, windows, doors, electrical, plumbing, insulation, and everything else needed to actually live in it are your responsibility to source and install. But FrameUpNow does something genuinely helpful to offset that. They include a detailed material shopping list that you can download, print out, and carry straight into your local Home Depot. It covers everything you need to take the home from bare frame to move-in ready, so you can budget the total project cost realistically before you spend $1. The footprint spans 57 feet wide by 40 feet long, single story, modern flat roof design with a covered porch extending your living space outdoors. The plan set includes snap sheets for wall panel placement, cross-section drawings at 1/4-inch scale, room dimensions, and electrical outlet and switch placements. The steel frame carries a 50-year warranty and a 90-day return window. At this price and this square footage, you have completely left tiny home territory. This is a legitimate single-family residence on a steel frame. Your finishing costs and labor investment will be substantial, but the structural cost per square foot here is almost absurdly low. If you are looking for something that lives between a tiny home and a full-size house, the next kit was designed for exactly that sweet spot. House 6, Studio Shed Summit 476, B, $55,470. The Studio Shed Summit 476, B, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 476 square feet, $55,470. This one stands apart for one specific reason. It is not steel. It is a wood frame ADU shell kit, constructed with residential-grade lumber. If you specifically want wood frame construction over cold-formed steel, this is the only option on this entire list that gives you that. The kit arrives with prefabricated wall sections, a pre-cut roof kit, windows, doors, and all essential structural components. Assembly is designed for someone with basic tools and a moderate level of DIY experience. Detailed step-by-step instructions are provided. That said, the manufacturer recommends hiring professionals for the electrical, plumbing, and interior finish work to ensure compliance with local building codes. This is not a weekend shed project. The layout is 14 feet wide by 34 feet long, giving you a generous single-bedroom space with a contemporary aesthetic. The design is clean and modern, which matters when your ADU needs to complement the main house on your property, rather than look like an afterthought ordered from a warehouse. It is engineered for significant wind, seismic, and snow loads. At over 13,000 pounds fully assembled, this is a substantial structure. The defining quality of the studio shed is the architectural design. This genuinely reads as a custom-built, modern accessory dwelling unit, not a prefab kit. If property aesthetics and long-term resale value factor into your decision, that visual distinction carries real weight in your local market. The trade-off is the warranty. Studio Shed provides a 1-year limited warranty, which is considerably shorter than the 50-year coverage offered on the steel frame options. Interior finishes are also not included, so your total investment will increase depending on the level of finish you choose for the inside. If curb appeal, modern design sensibility, and wood frame construction are priorities for you, the Summit 476B earns serious consideration at this price point. Now, the final 2 homes are the premium tier of this list, and they command those prices for very specific reasons. House 7, Ironbridge Modular, $79,997. The Ironbridge Modular ADU from Well Done. 1 kit homes, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 360 square feet, $79,997. This is the most complete factory-built package from Well Done One. Unlike their Chill Out and Rose Cottage kits that ship only the bare steel frame, the Ironbridge arrives fully constructed and ready for placement on your prepared foundation. Here is what comes included in that price. Cold-formed steel framing, zip system sheathing pre-installed for airtight, weatherproof seals, energy-efficient windows and doors already fitted, cement board siding, a Trek-style deck flooring system. Inside, you select from 3 flooring tones, pick your wall and trim paint colors, and choose kitchen cabinets and countertops from 3 style options. The bathroom comes equipped with a shower, toilet, vanity, and selectable tile. Lighting, electrical outlets, switch plates, a tankless water heater, and a mini-split air conditioning system are all standard. The unit measures 12 feet by 30 feet, stands 13 feet tall, and weighs 18,000 pounds. That weight matters for your logistics planning. You need confirmed access on your property for flatbed delivery or crane placement before you order. Every Ironbridge unit is rated for fire-prone zones, hurricane and high-wind regions, and snow load compliance. The steel frame carries a 50-year structural warranty. Roof styles are customizable, from skillion to pitched to rooftop deck. Siding colors, flooring tones, and cabinetry styles are all selectable. You will still need a general contractor to connect power, water, and sewer, or septic. Foundation preparation is your responsibility based on location-specific blueprints. But once the unit is placed and connected, you are looking at a move-in-ready home. No months of sourcing materials. No interior build-out timeline. It is done. If a turnkey ADU with finished interiors and zero construction management is what you need, the Ironbridge is the closest thing to plug and play at this level of quality. And that brings us to the final home on this list, the one I mentioned at the very beginning, the one that includes something none of the other 7 provide. House 8, modern prefab home, $105,000. The modern prefab home, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 420 square feet, $105,000. That is a significant number compared to the rest of this list, 4 times the cost of a rose cottage. So, what could possibly justify that kind of price gap? One thing. This is the only home on this entire list that includes foundation installation, city permits, and full professional construction as part of the purchase price. Every other option requires you to manage permitting, pour your own foundation, and either self-build or hire and coordinate contractors on your own dime and your own timeline. This one handles the entire process from purchase to move-in. The structure uses a durable steel frame paired with structural insulated panels, commonly known as SIPs. These panels provide superior energy efficiency compared to standard framing, keeping heating and cooling costs noticeably lower over time. The layout is open concept, with energy-efficient windows that flood the interior with natural light, a modern kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances, and a bright, airy living area designed to feel larger than its footprint. An elevated foundation adds stability and protects against moisture-related issues. Dimensions are approximately 37 feet long by 12 feet wide, standing about 14 feet tall, a narrow, efficient profile that fits comfortably on most residential lots. The exterior uses weather-resistant, low-maintenance materials built for coastal, cold, and variable climate conditions. Inside, built-in storage solutions are designed to squeeze function out of every available square foot. You can customize with a deck, patio, or landscaping additions to extend your living space outdoors. The manufacturer backs this home with a limited lifetime warranty. Free delivery is included. And because the permits, foundation, and construction are all fully managed on your behalf, your only responsibilities are choosing where it goes and selecting your finishes. If your budget allows and you want the most completely hands-off path from purchase to move-in day, this is the simplest answer on this list. You write the check. They build the house. So there you have it. All 8 options laid out side by side. From a $23,000 steel frame kit that you build from the ground up to a $105,000 fully permitted and constructed home placed on your property. Every single one of these is listed on Home Depot's website right now. I will drop direct links to all 8 in the description below, so you can dig into the full specifications, read real customer reviews, and examine the floor plans for yourself. But here is what most people completely overlook when shopping for these kits. The differences between these 8 options are significant and the details matter. Picking the right house is only half of the equation. The other half is understanding your local zoning laws, permit requirements, and foundation specifications before you commit a single dollar. Get that wrong, and you could end up with a beautiful kit sitting on your driveway that you cannot legally place on your lot. And trust me, that is not the kind of tiny living anyone signed up for. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Till next time.